Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanafi bin Hasrat. My matrix number 2022465112. So today I will present my mobile app development. As my project team will be mobile games. I have developed catch and secure games, as you can see on the screen. So I am using Colula Creator. There's around 8 pages, including 4 loading page. So I will show you the design. So this will be the main page on the screen 1. So for the rules page, this will be the rules. So the user will see how to use this app. Also they can know how the gameplay goes when they play the game. So this will be the play data. It will display all of the players that have been using, that have entered into the database, and this will be the gameplay where the user will play the game. And the rest of the loading page, these are for the loading. For each time they enter the button, it will loading. So the rest of the 4 loading page are the same. So I will moving on to the I will back to the screen 1. I'll move on to the block codings. Alright, so over here we have around 7 buttons, and this will be 2 Firebase. I'm using a same Firebase, which is Firebase 1. Then the 2 will be the screen. We're moving on to the rules page. This will be the screen, also another screen, and these 3 will be the buttons. Moving on to the play data, I have around 2 variables I set for the create the empty list. This will be the display, and this will be for the edit. I have 4 buttons: edit, delete, back, and another back. This will be the screen and notifier, column 3, list view for the display part, and 4 Firebase, which is same Firebase 1, Firebase 2, and Firebase 3. I'm using 3 Firebase for this part. And this will be the gameplay page. I have a 4 image sprite. This will be the screen, 2 buttons, start and back, 2 clock, 3 Firebase, which is Firebase 1 and Firebase 3, and 3 variable that I set for the score, player, and update. And this will be the loading page. I have 1 variable, screen, clock. This will be the layout. This will be the text. Alright, so basically I have shown you the block coding. So I will show for the database. So over here I am using the Firebase for my database on the mobile app. So over here I rename it as a catch secure game. So over here, this all of the data that have been stored within the Firebase. So I have stored around 2 value, which is the name and the score. So basically, when the player enter the games, they will enter the name and will set initial 0 for the score, and then when they play the game, the score will be update and will store into this Firebase. So I will show you for the demonstrator. I will show the testing one. So basically I have export the mobile app development. So over here you can see these are my app, cache and secure. So I will enter it. Okay, this will be the main page, as you can see over here. Alright, we have play, rules, and play data, and exit. So player can enter each of any button. So I will go to the play button. Alright, this part is still the same page, but when the player enter, they can enter because they have to fill in their name first before they enter the game. So let's say that if I enter the same name, which is Sophia, as you can see over here, it says that they are already registered. So the player have to enter a new name, which is this will be the witness for my mobile app development. So basically the user have to enter a new name for the game. So then I enter save. So then you can see over here the name Jamal are stored into the Firebase. Right, you see this will be the initial score, and then they can enter the game. Right, so the game will be loading. Wait for a second. Alright, so this will be the gameplay that I have for the user can play. So to start the game, the player have to click the start button. Right. So how to play the game? Actually, the player have to click the correct file to get the marks. Otherwise, if they click the wrong file, which is the corrupted, they will deduct the marks. So basically, for this game, I have set a timer. Over here, you can see on the percentage here, I set from 0 to 100. So after the timer is reached the limit, the game is stopped. Okay, so you can see the Jamal score will be the 1330. The player can continue to play the game, and the score will also be updated. Either it will be increased or will be decreased. That's up to the player. I will go back to the main page. Alright, we are on the main page right now. So we go to the rules. So I will show you what are the rules that I have put on this page. Right, this will be the rules. So I have around 4 rules, and for the game rules, the player can click the button. So this will be the game rules, which I put what are the points, how to get the points, and what are the things that the player should do to play the game. Then that's all. I will go back to the main page. Alright, so last but not least, I will go for the play data. Okay, so over here, as you can see, there's a lot of lists of a player that have stored within the database. It will display over here. So there are lots of players over here. So let's say if you want to make some adjustment, you want to edit or delete, you can just click on the play name. So let's say I try for the guest. So then it will pop up the new layout, which is the edit station. So let's find the name guest. Okay, which obviously you can see on the Firebase. These are the guest, the current data. So let's say if I change the score into 5050, say I try to edit. Alright, so you can see on the Firebase the data are updated. So basically that's how the edit button works. And as for the delete button, let's say I want to try to delete Jamal data, Jamal player. Alright, so if player click the delete button, it will pop up the warning notifier. Either they want to delete or not. They have to make confirmation. If they click no, they want to delete. If they click the yes, it will be delete. So you see on the Firebase, as you can see, the player named Jamal is are deleted from the Firebase. There's no Jamal over here. So that's basically how the delete button works. So that's all for the play data page. So back to the main page. Alright, last but not least, the exit button. So if the player want to exit the game, they can click the exit, and it will close the app. So that's how that's all for the mobile development for my project Catch and Secure game. So that's all for today. Thank you.